6 words I never want to have to say. I got hacked and I lost everything. Could you imagine waking up in the morning trying to get into your wallet and then realizing it has been compromised and someone has drained everything out of it? I mean, we're already feeling down in the dumps. Like that might take the wind completely out of my sails. I'm not going to lie. I mean, I'd get up, don't get me wrong, but man, that would be tough. I'd be down for a little bit. But the truth is that hackers are out in abundance and it's very real and it can happen. This hardware wallet is not where I keep my crypto. If you stick around in this video, I'm going to explain what I mean by that. Hey folks, welcome back to Beach Office 365, where I bring you the latest and greatest in crypto, DeFi, and passive income. All right, I want to get into it here because it's time, folks. It is time. All right. If you're watching this video and you watch my other videos, clearly you are very much invested in cryptocurrency and, more importantly, in taking advantage of an opportunity to earn passive income so that we can start doing more of the things we want to do in life and less reliance on having to work for our money. It is really important that we stay safe out there. How many times have you heard about someone getting hacked? I mean, it's literally everywhere, constantly. Every Telegram group, there are scammers like crazy. I mean, ants at a picnic. They won't leave. It's everywhere. I got hit up the other day in one of the comments saying, hey, I lost, my wallet was compromised. I'm getting a new wallet so I can get connected into my drip account. How do I do that? And I had to let them know, like, it doesn't work that way. Okay, the wallet that you have, right, and the seed phrase that is connected to that wallet is what is connected to your drip accounts. So just remember that. And I'm going to get into that part in a second. But the point is that if you're like me, you are seeing that we are in a brand new industry and we are new to the party, by the way. We are so new to this whole thing. It is ridiculous. It is the Wild West. It is the gold rush. And what I know about that time period is that there's some people that made a lot of money, but there's just a lot of craziness going on right now. Scammers are going to constantly get better at scamming people. So if you think you've seen it all because you've been in the space now, especially the DeFi space for the last 4 or 5 months, I mean, you got to think again. They're only going to improve how they scam people. The importance to be protected. I can't stress that enough. It hasn't happened to me yet, thank God. And I have protected myself by getting a hardware wallet. Now, a couple things, all right? The first thing is that because I am in a lot of DeFi projects, I thought that I could never get one of these anyway, because how could my assets be protected through this if they're already up and running, like my nodes and my drip account and my auto compounding. I didn't think that it was possible. And I think most people didn't know that if you have something like a drip account, that you could actually use this to protect all your drip and all the assets you have in the animal farm. Okay, so there actually is a way to do that. Now, going back to what I was saying before, what this is not where I keep any of my assets. They're not on here. Okay, you've heard it a million times, this notion about, hey, protect your seed phrase. Never give your seed phrase out to anybody. It's almost to a point where it's like, of course, I'm never gonna do it. I would never have to do it. There's only one reason I would have to do it, and that is not having access to my wallet and trying to get access to it. The seed phrase is extremely important, and hackers are going after that. Now, currently, you that are watching this, there are 2 places your seed phrase is. One of them is in that little paper that you wrote when you first opened the wallet. The second one is on your browser. Okay, so whatever browser you have, I have Chrome. There's better ones than Chrome, right? I know there's ones that are even more encryptic, But regardless, your wallet that is set up as an extension, okay, on your browser is the second place your seed phrase is. And hackers can get to that. What a hardware wallet is, the only thing this is holding is my seed phrase. I didn't know that. I thought like if I got one of these, I would have to like manually import all my crypto assets onto this one by one through all the different networks. And it's not that, it's not the case. This is just, the only thing this is so that I can remove my seed phrase from my computer. That's what a wallet does. You're removing their seed phrase. My mind was a little bit like, wow, when I first heard that, because no one seemed to explain that to me. So I wanted to make a video explaining that because it hadn't been clear until very recently when I finally pulled the trigger and got one of these. And the setup, look, the setup is like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. And what I'm gonna do, okay, is I'm going to leave a link to the Drip Gardener. He's a YouTuber that I follow and I like. And he just recently put out a video that gives you a step-by-step on how you can set this up and how you can protect your DeFi assets, especially Drip, all right? Because what happens is you're going to get your seed phrase off of your computer, remove the current wallet off the computer, and you just start a new wallet, and there's a way to funnel this through there without having your seed phrase actually on your computer. I know it sounds like kind of crazy, and it is a little bit, but it's not that hard. And the Drip Gardener knocked it out of the park with how to do it. So I'm gonna leave his link down below on how you can do it. I'm gonna leave my affiliate link down below for two reasons. One, I do get a little commission if you use my link, and that will definitely help support the channel, and I would appreciate that very much. But also, I wanna give you guys the link to make sure that you actually go to the real site, because scammers now are creating these and sending them out to people, and you just don't wanna get caught on the wrong site and get the wrong thing, and you get it. The point is they're only getting better at what they're doing as hackers. So the Drip Gardener also has an affiliate link. You can use his, but I'd prefer if you use mine. If you do use mine, leave a comment down below and let me know that you've used it, okay? Because I love interacting with the people that are following me. You guys know I love the comments, and you know what I mean? Like that would be super cool, just knowing that, you know, I'm getting the support from you guys. So anyway, if you have any questions or comments about this, let me know. Really, 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 it is heartbreaking when you hear about someone that has lost everything, right? Because of a hacker. And when you think of like how we're all sort of feeling right now with the bear market, we're just kind of exhausted, just waiting for this to turn. Could you imagine waking up in the morning, trying to get into your wallet, and then realizing it has been compromised and someone has drained everything out of it? I mean, we're already feeling down in the dumps. Like that might take the wind completely out of my sails. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I'd get up, don't get me wrong, but man, that would be tough. I'd be down for a little bit. So anyway, folks, thanks again. Please like, subscribe. It really helps with the channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.